I am Raja Chauhan from Laksh International School Maheshwar. Today we are going to continue chapter number 5, Introduction to Algebra of class 6th Mathematics. First topic is equation. What is equation? The statement of equality which involve a variable are called equation. Means, what is equation? Suppose here one example is given here. A plus 3 equals to 10. Here a is the variable and 3 is the number. So this is a equation. Now we will assign a value to a. How we can assign the values? We will see according to these questions. We will see this question in our exercise. Direct method to find the solution of an equation. What are the direct methods to solve an equation? We will see this one also. Now, the basis of these concepts, we will solve exercise number 5.3. First, complete the table by writing whether the given value of the variable satisfy the equation or not. Means we have to find out here the equation is given here, that is b plus 2 equals to 11, and the value of variable in the place of b equals to 9. So in the place of b you have to write 9 plus 2 equals to 11. Now 11 equals to 11. So this condition is completely satisfied, so we have to write yes here. Now second one, a minus 10 equals to 5. Now the value of a is 18 is given here. 18 minus 10 equals to 10, but here it is given 5. So this condition is not satisfied, so answer will be no. Now third one, x plus 5 equals to 25. Now on x it is 30 plus 5, the answer will be 35. This condition is not satisfied, the answer will be no. 20 minus 5, 15. Now in the place of y, 20 minus 5 equals 15. Yes. So yes. So like this you have to solve this question. We will solve one more question or divide this one. B by 6 equals to 9. Now what is the value of b? 54. Now 9 into 6, 9 6 are 54. This condition is satisfied. Yes. So like this you have to solve. Now question number 2. Find the solution of the following equation from the values given in the bracket. First, m plus 9 equals to 12. The values are 5, 3, 8 and 2. Here what is the equation? 5 plus 9 equals to 2. First we will check for 5. So 5 plus 9, 14, means this is not our answer. Then 3 plus 9 equals to 12. This condition is satisfied, means the value of m equals to 3. So we have to write m equals to 3 is the solution of the equation. So you have to put all the values given in the questions and you have to find out which value will be our answer. Now a minus 4 equals to 6. Here 8 minus 4, 4, no. Then 2 minus 4, minus 2. Then 10 minus 4 equals to 6. So 10 will be our answer. Now we will see third question. 6g equals to 24. Now 6 into 3 equals to what? 18. No. Now 6 into 4 equals to 24. So 4 will be the answer. G equals to 4 is the solution of the equation. Now here all the answers are given here, so in this manner you have to solve them. Now question number 3, find the solution of the equation by completing the table. Now here you can see for our first question is x plus 5 equals to 9 and the table is given here. Okay, so in this table there is given the value of x. Value of x 1 2 3 4 5 6. ठीक है. Now x plus 5, you have to find x plus 5. Here it is 1, so 1 plus 5, what will be? 6. So you have to write 1 plus 5 6, 5 3 plus 5 8, 4 plus 5 9, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 5 11. So like this you have to solve. Now you can see what is given here, 9 is here, so x equals to 4 will be our answer. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Now second, 2m equals to 10. For 2m, so m is given here and 2m given here, so 2m equals to 10. So you have to multiply them. Now 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Now you have to see at 10 which value is given here, 5. So 2 into 5 equals to 10. So m equals to 10 will be the answer. Here you just have to complete the table. Now question number 4, solve the following question and check the answers. Question number 1, x minus 5 equals to 10. Now x minus 5 equals to 10. So x equals to 10 plus 5, so 15. Here minus 5, when we will transfer minus 5 to RHS, it will become positive sign. The sign will be changed. So x equals to 15 will be our answer. Now we will see the 15 is the correct answer or not. How we can check that? 15, we have to put 15 value in the question. So 15 minus 5 equals to what? 10. So this is our answer. Now we will see second question. A plus 10 equals to 26. Now a equals to, here it is plus. Now when we will transfer to RHS, it will become minus sign. A equals to 16. Now we will check A equals to 16 is the correct answer or not. So we have to put here, so 16 plus 10 equals to what? 26. So it is the correct answer. Now we will solve fourth question. B minus 7 equals to 12. Now B equals to 12 plus 7. When we will transfer minus sign to RHS, it positive, equals to 12 plus 7, 19. 19 is our answer. Now we will check 19. We will put the 19 value in question. 19 minus 7 equals to 12. So 12 will be here. So 19 will be our main answer. Now we will solve this one. 4m equals to 36. Now 4m equals to 36. So m equals to 36 divided by 4. If the value is in multiple of variable, so it will, when we will transfer to RHS, it will go for the divide. M equals to, we know 4 9s are 36, so 9 will be the answer. Now we have to put here 4m equals to 36. Now 4 into 9 equals to 4 9s are 36, so 9 will be the answer. M equals to 9. Now we will solve. Question 2g equals to 54. 2g equals to 54. Now g equals to what? 54 by 2. So g equals to 27. Now we will check this. 2 into 27 equals to 54. So 27 will be our answer. All the answers are given here, so you have to solve from here. Here we have completed chapter number 5. In the next video we will start chapter number 6. Till that you have to practice all the questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.